junction, and this is the third instalment of the PCB boards which you can find fitted inside a Hornby Class 50. Today we're going to be looking at example 1621X009R2. So let's get cracking straight into it. So I'm going to go from 1 to 12 from left to right, and then I'll also cover the 2 in the middle as well. So I'm going to start on the side where you'd normally find the fan as usual. So number 1 is a black wire which goes across to this lighting fixture, which of course goes down there and causes the connection. Number 2 is a red wire, again goes to the same place, the same lighting unit. Number 3 is a black wire, and that goes down to the bogey, to the pickups. Number 4 is a red wire, again for the bogey and the pickups. Number 5 is a black wire, which goes across to this lighting fixture. And number 6 is a red wire, which goes across to this lighting fixture. Moving across to the right hand side, let's just zoom in a little bit. Number 7 is a red wire, which goes across to that one there, that light unit there. Number 8 is a red wire which goes to that lighting unit as well. Number 9 is a black wire which goes down to the bogey for the pickups. Number 10 is a red wire which goes down to the bogey for the pickups. Number 11 is a red wire which is for that lighting unit, and number 12 is a black wire which goes to that lighting unit as well. So just go back to the ones in the middle. We've got a red wire which goes down to the motor, and on the opposite side we'll have a black wire which also goes down to the motor. Okay, so I hope that helps anyone who's got this particular PCB board and is having any issues with the Class 50. Until next time, we'll see you later, and thanks for watching.